So I am in the process of moving, and part of that is getting my house ready to sell. Before I can sell it though, I've got a lot of stuff to fix. I've got little kids at home, and our family motto is that we just can't have nice things. In this video, I'm going to be repairing this corner bead that my kids smashed with the back of a chair. Now, there are two main ways to fix corner bead. You can either replace the corner bead itself, the metal part, or just repair it. Since mine isn't in terrible shape, it doesn't need to be replaced. So I just hit it a few times with a hammer to get it back into shape. I also screw in a couple screws to better secure the metal to the wall, and I chip away any loose sheetrock. Don't be afraid to take out a bunch. It's easy to repair, and you don't want anything loose in there that's going to break off after you fix it. After I reshape the corner with the hammer and take out all the loose sheetrock, it's time to add some mud or joint compound. I made a whole video on mudding tips and sheetrock tips. You can check that out here. But the key is to add plenty of mud on the first coat. Don't be afraid to add too much. Give it some time to dry and then give it a good sanding. After that, I add more coats of mud and sand again. You may need to repeat this step a few times. On the final coat, I'm going to be much more careful with the mud that I use and use larger and larger putty knives to feather out the mud and make it match the rest of the wall. After a final sanding and painting, we're all done. On to the next project.